Passenger side is full of water. Driver side's pretty full of water on the floor. The back corner of the bed here is filled up. It's even filled up to here. I mean, you can see that tire is fully underwater. That 40-inch tire. It's about at the tail light there. Yeah.
But we got bug spray.
Yeah, we have the bug spray.
What's up, guys? It's Colin here with Up North Outdoors. Today we're gonna be ripping the first. What the frick? You alright, dude?
You want to ride?
You want to ride, buddy?
Love a ride.
Yeah? Well, get in. Hop right in.
Oh, you got seats in the back?
Yeah, we got seats in the back. Come on, we'll do some ripping.
Sturdy?
Not held on that great, but
Finished product?
looks like it was meant to be. It's basically a Ram Charger with the Cummins in it. A long box Cummins Ram Charger. That's basically what it is.
How's it feel?
It's pretty good. It's like a big couch. Yeah.
What?
Alright, we got a nice, it's kind of wet back here. We got a nice great shot up there. We can see if Ray can get me wet. He's
Not a
driving.
very big puddle for me to do.
Oh, you got Brandon. You got me really bad too, holy crap.
That's what you get.
oh, look at Brand. Oh, let me. Oh, oh,
Wow, it's a good angle.
oh my God!
Sorry.
How'd it look?
Well, I hope I hit record.
You guys ready?
Yeah, go take her easy.
We're in reverse.
You gotta put it in N.
Need to dry
Whoa. Dude, honestly, it's like less bumpy back here. Like it's bouncy, but it's smooth bouncy.
Got a nice bench seat.
What? Stop! That's not me. That is not me. I'm not joking. Whatever, we'll just send it. Alright, we're a few miles from home. I think the rear drive shaft think the U-joints are starting to go out because it's knocking. Either that or the transmission itself. The transfer case is knocking. One of those three are making a knocking noise. I guess we didn't lose a lug nut, but we got one that's about to fall off. That one's good. That one's good. That one's loose. That one's good. That one's good. That one's good. That one's good. We got one loose lug nut. We're probably gonna lose. It's alright.
When something's knocking, once it's like this, it's not too bad, but once you start getting over like 15 miles an hour, she's a knocking. So we're gonna take the long muddy way home. Possibly.
It's Marie's turn to get in the back. Yeah. Yeah.
Here and enjoy the ride.
Yeah.
No.
For the views.
If this video gets
No, stop with that.
This video gets one comment that gets over 20 likes, I will ride in the back the next time we go out.
A comment that gets 20 likes, it's just gonna be some roast.
Yeah, and that's fine.
Stop promoting that crap. Pretty sure that drive shaft is going. They're both too lazy to get out and record. So we'll let one of them drive, and hopefully this could be the last clip I'm ever recording. That drive shaft ends up getting thrown and hits me in the face or something, you know. But I don't know. If I died doing something I enjoy. Yep. Aww. Aww, look at my legs.
Just making Brandon do all the moving.
Take my legs out.
It would not be a good way to go.
It just like cut you in half. Yeah.
Is that a full coat? No, it's empty. Well, this is pretty dry. This isn't. It's like a foot and a half, but there's probably big ruts in here too.
If you guys want to see more content like this and support the channel, check out upnorthoutdoorstv.com and pick up some of our fresh merch. We've got a couple hats left and some really nice long sleeves. Like thin ones, like good ones to like work on in the garage or off-road and whatever. Going to Walmart.
Walmart.
Yeah. Actually no, I hate Walmart. No.
Crocs, if you want to sponsor me, I wear them all the time, every time.
Sorry, I'm trying to find like a cool spot to do. Holy crap. There used to be a culvert here, like a little approach and a culvert the last time I was here. This is wow.
Swampy.
Yeah. Wow.
Brandon, you think we're gonna make it through?
Well, this is the one we took the Jeep and the Cummins through, and it was pretty rough. And it looks hours.
Only two-wheel drive too.
I don't know about it. I don't know if he's getting that stick either.
He's not getting that stick. think he's getting that stick. Oh! No. He's not even wearing rain boots. He's wearing his cowboy boots.
I think we should send it.
Send it.
Yeah, maybe no one in the back though.
Where else am I gonna ride? In the middle, right there?
Oh, yeah. I suppose we need what?
Brandon said we should send it. But nobody in the back, he said.
Walk back though.
Huh?
It's a long walk back though. I don't know about this.
What are you thinking?
You got a lot of runway.
I don't want to hit it that hard. It's gonna break. There's a metal culvert in the middle of there somewhere. You remember that when we crawled over that here?
That was a struggle then. It's pretty bad compared to what it was. That still had frozen
Yeah.
under it. That's not.
It's like washed out completely.
You know if there's a dam?
Huh?
Is there a dam? Like a beaver dam or something?
It must have dammed it. Or I think it flowed this way. So this used to be this road, this trail, minimum maintenance road that went through here. There used to be a culvert here. This was like a little creek, swamp that runs through here. Wow, and it is wet up to here now. It used to just be like a culvert and like a little spot of water, like, I don't know, like 2 feet wide. And there's a culvert there and you could just crawl right over it and not barely get your tires wet. I think we've even done it on videos before, but this is like washed out completely. That metal culvert is still down in there somewhere. I know it is. So that's kind of what's more, I don't want to hit it just super hard and then drill that 2 foot, 3 foot tall, probably not 3 foot, it's a smaller, like a 2 foot, 1.5 foot culvert. Drill that and then get buried in here. Especially, we only got 2-wheel drive and we don't have another truck out here to pull us. We have horrible service out here, and it would be a hell of a walk to walk home from this. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna poke around a little bit more, but it might be a better idea to turn around tonight. If we had another truck out here with a strap, which I was trying to get, but no one was able to tonight, could try this, but right now, I don't think I can without a strap. So we'll probably come back to this. Say that again.
Well, we got 1 bar. It's pretty spotty here. If we get stuck, we'll be walking for a couple hours.
Yeah.
I'm still leaning towards the send it, but I also don't want to.
You want me to send it?
Well, how easy do those culverts crumple?
Pretty easy, probably. I don't know.
So, like, if you wouldn't lose much momentum on it, would you?
If you walk across to get to the other side to get to get the shot, I will do it. If he walks across here, I will do it. Gosh dang it. I was kind of hoping you'd say no, but I can't back out now. I ain't no little girl. Is there, am I gonna fall?
Where the culvert is, I bet.
Is there gonna be like a sinkhole that I just get?
Oh, you're fine. Hey, grab that stick and poke it.
I don't like, I step and bubbles come up. I almost fell.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
walking on water.
We done screwed up.
Oh my gosh. Dude, we're taking in water bad.
Yeah.
Dude, that's a lot deeper than what I thought it was gonna be. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, look at the bed. Oh my gosh.
So, who are we calling to come save us?
Holy crap. Dude, we up.
You know,
Get that?
yeah. You know, not having four-wheel drive should have been the automatic no on this.
Dude, I was gonna turn around until you told me I should send it. I was gonna turn around until you told me to send it. Look at the bed. The bed is half full of water right now. The back side of the bed is like the back bumper's underwater. Oh my.
So, am I swimming tonight, or what's the plan here?
Oh.
Don't forget, my phone's in your pocket there, buddy.
Holy shit.
Is there water, like, up in there?
You're gonna fly, your engine's flooded,
No.
isn't it?
It's high up enough, I think.
So,
Take, I think.
what do we do?
For you on that one. Huh?
Do you think your dad would let us?
Maybe get a Humvee out here. This video better. You guys better blow this video up. Okay? You guys need to blow this video up and make this worth it, because we probably lost this truck just by judging by the colors that I see coming out from under it right now.
Should've let me drive. I could've gotten
Yeah.
it through.
Why'd you go so slow?
Because I didn't want to hammer it because there's that color.
No, I know you didn't hammer it, but you kind of crept into it too.
Yeah, because I didn't want to.
I know, but
You know what? Hindsight. Yeah.
yeah.
Hit it harder.
I mean, we could say anything. It's already done.
Well, normally it says harder bottom, and it felt like harder bottom, so I figured I could kind of just crawl through it like a puddle. I didn't realize it was that soft under here.
I bet you would have gotten through it easy with
Four wheel.
four wheel.
Maybe, dude. I don't know. That back just like
Like
it's soft.
Do you see the back corner right now?
Well, you guys got stuck, and then the little bit more gas dug you guys down so fast.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Alright, so here's from inside the cab. Passenger side is full of water. Driver's side's pretty full water on the floor. The back corner of the bed here is filled up. It's even filled up to here. I mean, you can see that tire is fully underwater. That 40-inch tire. It's about at the tail light there. Yeah.
But we got bug spray.
Yeah, we have the bug spray.
It was a good plan, though, right?
Yeah. So, this is probably the longest walk of shame. It's gonna be the longest walk of shame of Up North Outdoors history. We are absolutely buried in that swamp creek. Her phone died, my phone's at like 2%. Brandon's got like 30%, but we have like no service. We can't really get any messages or anything really through. Brandon drove his car at the beginning of the trail. It's a ways away. We have to get to that. And there's still the matter of
Getting it out.
getting it out. They could probably wait till morning. Getting it out. I didn't bring my wallet with me, did I? I don't think I did.
I don't think so.
Bring my wallet.
Yeah, I didn't. Okay. I just want to make sure. We want to make sure we didn't leave anything valuable in there. I left the keys to the truck in there, but there's no
Moving her.
way anyone's gonna get that thing out, so I'm not worried about that. Truck's not really worth anything to me anyway. It doesn't have a title. All reality, if I didn't put these videos on YouTube, could probably just scrap the
scrape the VIN numbers off of it and just leave it. It's getting dark. We should have grabbed one of the waters. Yeah. That would have been a good idea. We can go back. Holy, we made some distance over here.
Nice fog going on tonight.
Yeah, nice creepy fog. Brandon's walking barefoot. We're all soaked. But at least it's warm out today. We do have some bug spray. Running low though. Oh, definitely a bad idea.
Why didn't I call him?
I called Chance or something. I bet you Chance would come out here. I bet you Chance or AJ would be.
Oh, he was like trying to figure out where I was.
Chance was?
Yeah, I'm gonna call him.
Alright, let's see if we can get someone to pick us up. We could, if we had to survive tonight, we could stay in there.
Hi, can you come help us?
Yeah. What's up?
Well, Colin's truck's a boat now.
Oh God.
Can you like give us a ride back to
Civilization.
like someone that can help us?
Or to your car.
Please?
Yeah, I should be able to come out there.
I can
Yes.
share my location and you can get to a road closest to us and we'll walk to you.
Okay.
My phone's about to
I'll be out
die,
a little
so you're my last resort.
Both of our phones are dead.
No, you are the first person we called. You are not the last resort. First person we called. But if you don't come, we're screwed.
I mean, like, there's no other option because my phone's gonna die. But
Calling him the last resort.
I'll suck you.
I will too.
I told you I'll come. Alright, okay.
Sharing location.
Good.
Thank you. I said last resort. 'Cause, like,
That did kind of sound bad though. Yeah, you're our last resort. And we called every single other person we know.
Like,
I'm
let's keep walking. I'm getting attacked.
didn't mean it in that way.
Yeah, and then we can stop.
This fog is not creepy at all.
Nice little stay on the trail sign. Making sure we go the right way.
Well, we stayed on the trail and we got buried, so thanks a lot. Sign.
Minnesota Department.
Yeah.
Blah, blah, blah.
Department of
Hey, and there's
Screw
a lot
you.
of raspberry bushes, so if we do get stuck, we can feast on raspberries.
mushrooms. Oh, this one's gonna explode. Oh, it wasn't. Never mind.
We could eat them.
No, I don't know if you can eat those kind. You could try. Brandon, since you're the one who convinced me to go, you can be the first one to try the mushroom.
We'll give it 20 minutes.
If you start foaming from the mouth, we're gonna pass.
At least I don't have to walk.
Whole gang is here. I should definitely get this Suburban running. That'd help. I'm a firm believer in Sasquatch.
If he shows up,
Hey, then
let's
we
just
could be on
say
fast.
whoever finds
I'll get on
the
his back.
freaking, whoever finds the camera, they're watching this when we find Squatch.
Yeah, but Squatch is smart. He's gonna destroy the camera.
No, we'll throw it into the woods and someone will eventually find it.
If we survive, we can go on Sasquatch Chronicles.
True.
Sasquatch Chronicles!
That would be sick to talk to Big Wes on Sasquatch Chronicles. I'll leave the link in the description below. If you guys are into that stuff, honestly, Sasquatch
wasn't.
Chronicles is such a good podcast. Even if you're not into that stuff, it's
No. Literally,
It's good.
when I started listening to it, that's when I converted to believing in Sasquatch.
it's
So-
just yeah, it's just like all like just eyewitness testimonies, and it's I don't know. The host is a really cool guy.
They're super creepy.
Yeah, oh yeah.
It's very creepy.
Well, we're doing some off-roading here. Brrr. Oh, I got a bee at something attacking me. We were just talking about how creepy it is, and now there's a creepy cricket going.
We have to make sure we get to that spot.
It's gonna be dark before we get there. It's getting a lot darker now. We've gone probably, I don't know.
We need to make like a crate of supplies.
You're a godsend, thank you.
Thank you. You're on camera. You're a beast, man. Thank you for saving us.
Thank you for the ride.
You know, honestly, if you didn't come get us.